Hey friends, the following is a guided breathing session to increase rest and recovery. We're engaging in a baseline of coherence breathing where we inhale for 6 seconds and exhale for 6 seconds and couple that with humming and cyclic sighing. So for the inhale, we top the inhale with another sip of air, re-inflating the alveoli, the little air sacs in our lungs, increasing oxygen uptake. And then on the exhale, we engage in a deep hum to increase nitric oxide, which increases blood flow through our body and into the brain. There have been studies that engaging in humming increases nitric oxide by 600%. And according to another Stanford study, engaging in cyclic sighing regularly increases mood much more than just meditation does. If you need guidance in a growing community, please consider joining my new school community, Breath Rituals. You will also get a free Breathwork Configurator where you can set your own breathing session depending on how you like it. You can select from a myriad of different parameters to adjust it to exactly your comfort level. Whether it would be adding a humming or a cyclic sighing to your coherence breathing, you can all adjust that and you get access to that for free for lifetime if you join my community. Whether you cancel after a month or after 2 months, it doesn't matter, you still can access this tool. And yeah, I hope you like it. Please enjoy and see you inside. Now, without further ado, please enjoy the session. Make yourself comfortable and let's get started. Inhale. Thank you for joining me today.